FAAC E145 control board wiring explained. Hello friends, welcome back to Auto Door Surgeon. Today, I'll explain the complete wiring of the FAAC E145 control board step by step. If you are installing a swing gate opener or facing wiring confusion, this video will solve everything. So watch till the end. FAAC E145 control board wiring explained. Main power connection. First, we start with the power supply section terminals, J1. You will see 3 terminals here. Terminal PE. Earthing very important for safety. Terminal N. Neutral terminal of main power supply. Terminal L. Line or phase terminal of main power supply. Input voltage, 230 volt AC. Always connect proper grounding and use an MCB or safety breaker. Motor connections. Now, let's move to the motor wiring. This is terminal J2. This is double door swing gate connected FAAC motor. Motor 1 is M1. Motor 2 is M2. Connect motor 1 common wire on terminal 1 on control board. Connect motor 1 phase wire on terminal 2 on control board. Connect motor 1 common wire on terminal 3 on control board. Motor 1 is the first leaf in double gate, that opening first. Or, if you want to use single gate, used motor 1 terminals works as single leaf gate motor. Motor 2 connection. Connect motor 2 common wire on terminal 4 on control board. Connect motor 2 phase wire on terminal 5 on control board. Connect motor 2 phase wire on terminal 6 on control board. This is used only for second leaf in double gate system. The motors should is 230 volt AC is compatible for control board. The capacitor should be connected between phases of the motors. Flashing lamp. Terminal 7 and 8 is lamp connection. Connect your gate warning light on terminals 7 and 8. The output of this terminal's 230 volt, max 60 watts. Command inputs. Now we come to the most important section, control inputs. Terminal 9 is open A terminal. Total opening. Normally open contacts. Opens both gates fully. The connection is terminal 9 and terminal 16 common. Terminal 10 open B terminal. Partial opening. Normally open contacts. 1 leaf, pedestrian mode. Or partial opening. The connection is terminal 10 and terminal 16 common. Terminal 11 is stop terminal. Terminal 11 with common terminal 16 is used for emergency push button. Normally close contact. Stops gate immediately. If not used, put a jumper between stop and GND. Connection of photocell. This is single pair of FAAC sensor. This is FAAC wiring diagram of transmitter and receiver. Connect the power supply of the photocell. Terminal 18 is plus 24 volt DC power supply. Terminal 15 is minus 24 volt DC power supply. Same connection put on receiver sensor. Let connect safety terminals on receiver sensor. If you want to connect the safety sensor, remove the black jumper. Let connect safety inputs. Terminal 12 is closing safety called FSWCL terminal. NC contact. Used for photocell. This safety work only when closing the gates. Stops or reverses during closing. This is the standard safety mostly used. Connect also terminal 15 common terminal on receiver sensor. Terminal 13 is also opening safety, called FSWOP. NC contact. This safety works during opening. If not using safety devices, keep jumper between terminal 13 to terminal 15. Accessories power supply. Terminal 16 ground terminal. Terminal 17 and 18 is plus 24 volt safety. Max load 500 milliamperes. Used for photocells, receivers, sensors. Output terminal. Terminal 19 is 24 volt DC for open collector output. Programmable terminal. By default, always active. Electric lock connection. Terminal 20 and 21 is lock output. Used for electromagnetic lock. Output 12 volt or 24 volt. Important tips. Before finishing, remember these important points. Always check motor direction. Use proper earthing. Use NC and NO contacts correctly. Never overload 24V output. Do time learning setup after wiring.